Yeah, hi, my name is Alex. I just want to give a quick introduction to the Distribution Hub mobile application. So this mobile application is capable of handling all of your inbound items, the allocation throughout the warehouse or multiple warehouses, being able to accept incoming orders and manage those orders properly, picking, packing, placing those orders on a truck for delivery, or actually printing out and allocating those orders to a shipper, a carrier. So as you can see, we'll just dive right in here. There are three main account types. Here we're on the picker checker account type. There's also a sales account type and a driver account type. So within the picker checker account, you can see we have the incoming order or outgoing orders, incoming receivables from vendors, as well as transfer items from other warehouses. Down here we have our main barcode scanning application where this will actually open up the camera from the mobile device and take an image and gather the barcode through ScanDit, which is our mobile barcode scanning application that's within the app itself. Here we can update inventory or pod locations being any actual location within the warehouse. Specifically, we can use aisle, bay, and bins, as well as there may be different shelf numbers, etc. So as you can see, when we click on a barcode that is unknown, it will just go ahead and ask us to either assign a product, assign it to a pod, add a new product, or add a new pod. So pods and products are mainly the two things that we're going to be barcode scanning. This may also be scanning some invoices as well. When we scan a barcode which is known, it will pull up the relevant data for us there to see, okay, within, here's a product within a pod, and we can see how many are here, what's available for this product, the incoming quantity on this product, and in transit, which would mean going out to a client, a customer. We can also check in the product which is coming in, or go ahead and pick the orders which have been placed for this product. If we want to go in and actually start picking orders, we can click on this. Here it's set up as if we have routes for a local delivery area. And so here's our different routes. And what we can do is go in to actually view within this route, okay, we have these customers which have placed orders, and these are the orders which have already been picked. Now, if you want to go ahead and select multiple, we can select multiple to then go ahead and pick those individual orders from the customer. If you just simply select the pick button, it will go ahead and automatically circulate you through the warehouse to gather these items for your clients. So once we've gone ahead, had our product, we'll scan the barcode in, adjust the quantity, and once it's scanned in, then it will just simply move right on to the next where you'll gather a barcode, enter the quantity. This is a metric that can be adjusted on the admin as to over what quantity should you have your warehouse workers just simply enter in the quantity versus how many should actually be scanning all the number of items which are in that order. So we'll go ahead and complete that. Once we have gone ahead, scanned, picked the number of orders on this route, this will go ahead and complete. So that we can load them to the trucks. So the next main thing here is we have receivables, which would be coming in, whether they're coming in from our vendors or whether they are coming in from other warehouses, stores, or other business units. We can check these in here, and it's basically the reverse process of picking here, where we'll come in, we'll see exactly which product should be coming in, how many have been accepted already, and be able to pick up exactly where we left off by scanning barcodes in, and then it will give us a bin location where we should transfer this item. So once we've scanned it in, we'll be able to see and adjust whether there's missing units at all and check in the number of quantity that we've got. From there, we will go ahead and assign it to a pod within the warehouse, and now we've gone ahead and transferred it in successfully. So we can see exactly what's in this pod here. Back in here, we can view and update inventory. All of our product will show up here with the placements within the warehouse. We can go ahead and create a new transfer request or a new PO by selecting product and choosing that as a transfer request. Once we go in and adjust the product or go in to edit the product, we'll have multiple price levels we can set. We can adjust the barcode here, the alert levels, reorder quantities, and the actual sizing information on the product itself. Within the details of the product, we can adjust the locations within that warehouse for this given product. Everything that an employee would be seeing here is dictated by the warehouse level where that employee is assigned to within the admin panel. So here we can see we have 3 different locations for this product, and each one of those is assigned a different bin number. We can also assign relationships between pallets, cases, individuals, and whatnot. And we can also have kits for a product, which will tell us whether the item is a kit or if it is being used within a kit. And finally, we can go ahead and update pod locations or add new pod locations within the warehouse. As you can see, we have a few different pod locations and what percentage they're actually filled. So within this, we have our length, width, actual dimensions of the pod itself, as well as the location within the warehouse and a barcode for the pod. So each product that comes in can be assigned to a pod, and there can be multiple products within one pod. There also could be multiple pods within a different pod itself. So multiple different ways to store your product. Go back into the dashboard. So from here, we'll navigate over to the sales account. And that will be for another video where we'll explore some of the functionality within the field sales account for Distribution Hub.